Hey everyone, welcome to modestmoney.com's YouTube channel. Today, I'm diving into a review of the PowerX Optimizer. In a world where every decision counts, finding the right investment strategy can make all the difference. Imagine a tool that helps you navigate the complex world of options trading with precision and confidence. This is what the PowerX Optimizer by Rockwell Trading aims to do. With PowerX Optimizer, developed by former IBM employee Marcus Heitkoder, you have the power to uncover profitable trades using proven strategies like the PowerX strategy and the wheel strategy. But what are these strategies all about? Does the PowerX Optimizer live up to its lofty online reviews? Should we trust Marcus? I will answer these questions and more in this PowerX Optimizer review. Let's jump right in. But first, I have to mention my exclusive discount that saves you 50% off the regular price and waives the $997 annual fee. The link for the discount can be found in the description. Now that I got that out of the way, let's start our look into the PowerX Optimizer at the beginning, with its founder, Marcus Heitkoder. Marcus's story is nothing short of inspiring, and it's one that resonates deeply with anyone chasing the American dream. Imagine starting with just $30,000 and a big dream, then turning that into a multi-million-dollar fortune. Well, that's exactly what Marcus did when he packed his bags and moved from Germany to the US back in 2002. For over 2 decades, Marcus has been navigating the choppy waters of the stock and real estate markets with the finesse of a seasoned captain. But what sets him apart isn't just his success, it's his passion for sharing his knowledge and empowering others. In 2005, Marcus founded Rockwell Trading, initially as a humble blog to document his trading insights. Fast forward to today, and Rockwell Trading has blossomed into a global educational powerhouse, with over 300,000 traders in more than a dozen countries turning to Marcus for guidance. But Marcus isn't just a trader, he's also an accomplished author, with 3 best-selling books on trading and investing to his name. And let's not forget his YouTube channel, which boasts a staggering 4 million views and counting. Talk about making an impact. Based in the vibrant city of Austin, Texas, Marcus remains committed to his mission of helping people achieve financial freedom through trading. Whether you're a friend, family member, or trader from halfway across the globe, Marcus is there to support you on your journey. But don't just take my word for it. Let's have a look at what other traders are saying. As you can see, Rockwell Trading has an excellent rating of 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot from over 220 reviews. 93% of reviews gave a perfect 5 out of 5 rating, which is very impressive. Let's dig into some of these reviews and see specifically what users like so much about Rockwell Trading and their PowerX Optimizer. This reviewer likes how accommodating and warm the people at Rockwell make him feel. He notes how easy the PowerX Optimizer is to understand. He also mentions Mighty Networks, which is a newly formed group for members to discuss trading topics and learn from one another. This reviewer highly recommends the service and notes the exceptional education and support offered by Rockwell Trading and their PowerX Optimizer. He also mentions how they help you create your trading plan. This is the part I want to get into next. If you go to your main dashboard and go to the menu icon over here, you will see this option for your trading hub. Let's click on that. This is a very useful tool for keeping track of your daily tasks and adding notes as reminders. As you see, it has an inspirational quote of the day, which I know I need from time to time. Down here, it has a pre-trading checklist, a trading plan, and something called Rocky. This Rocky feature is pretty cool. Rocky is a bot, trained by Rockwell Trading, that can answer any questions you have related to their trading system or strategies. I think this feature is really beneficial. As we are learning something new, some random questions always arise about certain concepts or terms. With other platforms, you might have to reach out to a person and sometimes wait for a reply. No need to do that with Rockwell Trading. Just ask Rocky, and the chatbot does a really good job of clarifying and explaining topics you might be confused about. Now I want to get into the main strategies used by the PowerX Optimizer. The first is the wheel strategy. Marcus does a good job of explaining the wheel options strategy in 15 minutes on his website, but let me break it down even quicker. So, what exactly is the wheel options strategy, and how does it work? Buckle up, because we're about to find out. The concept is simple, yet powerful. You start by selling put options, collecting premium along the way. If, on the expiration date, the stock price is below the strike price, you might get assigned, meaning you'll have to buy the stock. But fear not, because this is where the real fun begins. Step number 3 kicks in, where you sell call options and continue to collect premiums. Rinse and repeat. It's a beautifully straightforward strategy that offers plenty of flexibility and profit potential. Now let's talk about the crucial steps in implementing the wheel strategy. It all starts with choosing the right stock. Marcus Heitkoetter, the brains behind PowerX Optimizer, emphasizes the importance of selecting value stocks over growth stocks. But what exactly defines a value stock? Marcus looks for companies with steady revenue, consistent profitability, and preferably a dividend payout. One such example is Bank of America, BAC, a stalwart in the financial sector. On the flip side, growth stocks like Peloton may offer explosive revenue growth, but they often lack profitability and dividends, making them less suitable for the wheel strategy. To further refine the selection process, Marcus looks for stocks trading in a sideways range, indicating stability and reducing the risk of wild swings. It's all about finding that sweet spot for consistent returns. Now that we've found the right stock, it's time to choose the right option. Marcus recommends focusing on short-term expiration dates, typically within 2 weeks, to capitalize on rapid movements in the market. And when it comes to strike prices, Marcus suggests aligning them with short-term support levels, ensuring a favorable entry point for the trade. It's all about stacking the odds in your favor. But wait, there's more. Knowing when to take profits is equally crucial. Marcus adopts a disciplined approach, buying back the option when he achieves 90% of the maximum profit, ensuring he locks in gains before expiration. But what happens when the stock moves lower? Fear not, because Marcus has a plan for that too. He employs rescue missions, selling more puts at lower prices to lower the cost basis and potentially increase profits. This is what your screen will look like when you are looking for opportunities with the wheel strategy. To the untrained eye, it might look overwhelming. I know it did to me at first. But don't worry, the educational resources and support with Rockwell Trading are top-notch, so they will get you up to speed in no time. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the wheel option strategy. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this versatile strategy offers plenty of opportunities to profit in the market. Now let's get into their unique PowerX strategy. This is what your screen will look like while utilizing the PowerX strategy. At its core, the PowerX strategy is all about precision, timing, and adaptability. It's not just a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, it's a dynamic system that adjusts to market conditions, giving traders an edge in any environment. The foundation of the PowerX strategy lies in its ability to identify trends, those powerful movements in the market that can lead to significant gains. By leveraging technical analysis techniques, such as moving averages and support Shosh resistance levels, traders can pinpoint these trends with remarkable accuracy. But here's where it gets really interesting. The PowerX strategy isn't just about riding the waves of those trends, it's also about knowing when to hop off. That's right, timing is everything in this game. By using carefully crafted entry and exit signals, traders like us can maximize their profits while minimizing their risks. Now, let's talk about risk management, what some call the unsung hero of successful trading. Marcus Heitkoetter understands that no strategy is complete without a solid risk management plan. That's why the PowerX strategy emphasizes smart position sizing, strategic stop-loss orders, and disciplined profit-taking. But perhaps what sets the PowerX strategy apart is its versatility. Whether you're a day trader looking for quick gains or a swing trader aiming for larger moves, this strategy can be tailored to suit your style and preferences. And let's not forget about education and support, two pillars of the PowerX community. Marcus Heitkoetter and his team are dedicated to empowering traders with the knowledge, tools, and resources they need to succeed. From comprehensive training courses to live webinars and ongoing mentorship, they're there for us every step of the way. In essence, the PowerX strategy isn't just about making trades, it's about mastering the markets. It's about combining intuition and analysis to navigate the complexities of trading with confidence and clarity. So, whether you're a seasoned trader looking to up your game or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, the PowerX strategy offers a path to success. It's more than just a strategy, it's a journey, and Marcus Heitkoetter is your guide. Thanks for sticking around for the deep dive into the PowerX Optimizer. Now, let me level with you. Yes, the price tag might give you pause, but trust me, it's a small investment for potentially big gains. And let's be real here. Without the right tools and guidance, options trading can be a minefield. Did you know that some sources claim 90% of options traders lose money? Scary stuff. But with the PowerX strategy in your arsenal, you're not just trading blindly, you're trading smart. So, am I recommending this? Absolutely. It's more than just a system, it's your ticket to trading success. And here's the kicker. For a limited time, you can snag an exclusive discount of $1,997 off the regular price of $3,997. Plus, get the $997 annual fee waived. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Click the link below, snag that exclusive discount, and let's start winning together. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay ahead of the curve with our latest insights. Happy trading, and here's to your success.